on, guys? Good morning. Good morning, guys. How's it going? It's CPI. So let's see how the markets move today. I'm about to start up the live trading here in the premium. So let me see if I have everything set up perfectly. Let me make sure. Hold up. Okay. The markets are not moving as good as I expected. Although the setups look pretty decent. I don't know. It's just nothing's really calling my name here. But here, let me start up the live trading here in the premium. To get this rolling. Yo. Good morning, guys. How's it going? Um, okay, right off open, honestly, price looks pretty good. It's just that there's no setups. You guys know, usually sometimes I get on, I'm like, guys, like, oh, we have a setup, blah, 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 blah. You know what I mean? But no, like, right off open, it's looking not the prettiest. Usually with CPI, it's a lot prettier. You know what I mean? Like, it's like one certain direction right off open. You know, like if CPI comes out bullish, we pump up into draw liquidity, and then we have a reading and all that stuff. No, today CPI came out bullish and then bearish and then I don't know. I'm gonna give the market some time, obviously, to what's it called to give us something to work with. But so far it looks pretty choppy. I mean, market opened at 9:30, opened right here. We are in the same range. 20 minutes later, almost 20 minutes later, and nothing has happened. You know what I mean? Um, so and yeah, ES is chopping out even more than usual. you know. So we're gonna give the market some time. If nothing happens, then that's fine. We just come back PM session and we work around something there. You know what I mean? But yeah, the main idea. And by the way, guys, we are still respecting the same 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, 15-minute fair value gap from Monday, and we're on Wednesday. So the fair value gap has been doing some work this week. I mean, look at this, guys. We have this 15-minute fair value gap from Veterans Day on Monday. We have one rejection, two rejections, three rejections, four rejections, five rejections, six rejections, six. You know what I mean? Like, it's gonna get to a point. You know what I mean? Like, are we gonna inverse it or not? I mean, it is a pretty big fair value gap. So to inverse this, we need a lot of buying, obviously. But maybe I was expecting CPI to do it, but I guess not. You know. Now, you guys might be wondering, what is PM session usually? It's like 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. But anything that says PM is that session. Anyways, guys, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, setup wise. What is a setup that like what is the current game plan that we're looking for? All right. So let's go ahead and kind of develop because I kind of woke up without any levels. I kind of marked them out as CPI came out. I'm like, okay, like I'll kind of just plan it out once we get on live and then we all get it all together. All right. Now, guys, you guys can see obviously we have some Asia lows, some London lows, and some London highs. Although there's no Asia high because we took it out with CPI, we're good on that, right? So we have three levels to really work with today and some more that I'm going to cover right now, right? So we have a double bottom at this London low. So if the market is bearish, of course, we would target 114 and 101 if anything, since that's the Asia low that we created overnight at 1 in the morning, 1:30 to be exact, or 1:35, right? Now we also have 21,054.75 from the shorts yesterday when we called the top and all that stuff, and the market ended up dumping down into this level. We bounced back up, which created more liquidity in the market, right? So to the downside, if we were to be bearish today, which we're not just yet, we need a setup, we need a reading, we need something to happen. We would ideally want to target these three levels, but if we're not bearish or we're not in shorts, we could use these levels as a sign to look for a reversal in the market, right? So we could use 114, 101, or 54, right? So we could work around those levels two times, depending on if we're bearish, if we're bullish, stuff like that. Now, before I continue, let me go and put out this live Monday. We have, give me 1 second, guys. There we go. Okay. Now, to the upside, which once again we have no sign. Well, we might want to be more bullish today, just because the market is selling off pretty decently. we could take out some liquidity and then just work around something there to take out these highs, right? But the only thing we really have to work with here is one mini level and then the London high above, and then some levels above here, right? So the game plan that I would consider looking at right now, obviously since we're selling off, without any setup, we want to catch the reversal here, right? So what we will want to do here, guys, is for us to I prefer we sweep 114 and 101, which is two levels in one. Of course, the more levels we take out, the better, the better chance we get at a possible reversal here, right? So I would want to take out this London high, this London low and this data low, right? We look for a sweep. We possibly get a very nice buying candle. We create a fair value gap, and then we could use that fair value gap to look to take longs into 200, 243, and 251, and possibly even inverse the 50-minute fair value gap that we've been getting rejected from all week long since Monday. All right. So, the only problem here is the big issue is price today. I know you guys don't want to hear this. The price does right off open does not seem so promising. I mean, the momentum is kind of dead. I know we just broke some new lows, all that stuff, whatever. It's just, price opens right here, and it's green, red, green, red, green, red. There's no like really strong momentum or really strong trend that we have here in the market that can really give us like, hey, I'm bullish here because of this, and this. Like, we're kind of just, I don't want to say we're chopping out. We just don't have the momentum in the market to get a good reading just yet. So we got to be a little bit patient. But so far, bias-wise, nothing going on too crazy. Nothing crazy going on. But we could definitely get something working once we take out either 114 or I would prefer 101 better. Is the 5-minute fair value gap not valid? No, not really. Just because it's a fair value gap, there's nothing that you can get. You know what I mean? I saw someone mention the chat goes crazy when they see one fair value gap window confirmation. You guys gotta make sure just because we have a fair value gap doesn't mean that you can trade into it or trade off of it. You need a lot more stuff behind it to raise your probability behind the setup. Because if it was that easy to just take trades off a fair value gap, then we would all be getting trades every single day. You know what I mean? But no, in my opinion, it's not valid because here your main idea would, here we inversed it, but you can't take the inverse because we never took out this main high up here at 251. We have to take out this high, get the bias, get the sweep, get the MSS, then we inverse this, and then we target London lows, right? Plus, on top of that, price is looking very, very slow, so why would you take it? You know what I mean? It's just not A plus in my eyes. Since we took out the CPI low, Frank, this low right here, it's not strong. There's been stronger lows that I would be like, okay, yeah, let's take out this data low, but you know what I mean? It's just like it's questionable. It's a questionable level. I'd much rather have us be more confident and take out 114 or 101, and then we can work off that because these levels look a lot stronger. Keep in mind, this level, it's literally a wick. There's nothing here, right? There's no major bounce. There's nothing, right? But if we're looking at this London low, we have a double bottom, right? And if we look at this Asia low, it's a complete bottom throughout the entire session up until now, right? So these levels have a lot more liquidity that we can work off of instead of this random data low that we created in the market. You know what I mean? So I'd much rather just have us work off 114. If we don't get that, then we just stay patient until we get something. It's just way better. 350 is crazy. What do we have at 350? I don't know. Anyways. But yeah. Let's see if we can take this out. Oh no, bro. There's been like 430. I think that's the peak. 430, 440 around there. It's insane, bro. Really insane. Anyways, I don't like to focus on that because I get nervous. So I try to look away. Check ES. I don't think there's anything on ES. This thing is choppy as hell. Yep. I mean, to be fair, ES did take out this low, but I don't know if this low is too strong. I still want London lows. I'd much rather have that. Now, if price is gonna remain like this, I will for sure be coming back PM session. I'll be coming back PM session if anything. But I'll for sure give the market about like maybe an hour or so. I'll just chill with you guys and all that stuff. Until we get something. Done for the day, $900 away from the payout. Ooh, nice, bro. Nice. What'd you take? Oh, you took the inverse. This looks like the 1 minute time frame. Is that the 1 minute? Yep. Yeah, I figured. Okay, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Bro, how you guys doing with crypto? Cause I know a lot of you guys. Yeah, Izzy. Yeah, same reaction here, bro. Right. Oh, Grace. If you think that's bad, I'm sure you know EB. He put $50 in it, and he's up 200, no, almost $300,000 from a $50 investment, and he can't sell it. Bro, you know how mad I will be. I'll be figuring out everything I could do to possibly take out that position. There has to be a way. There has to be. There's no way. Oh, okay, but bro, I was about to say, why can't you sell it? I don't know. I'm not too big on crypto. I don't know that. I don't know why not. Apparently they can turn off. No, there is liquidity in it. There's a lot. The market cap is crazy high. Crazy high. But what's it called? They turned off the sell button. I don't know. I don't know. They literally turned off the sell. What coin? I don't know. I think it's MAGA, right? I think it's that one. You guys have to talk to him. I don't know too much about it. I don't know too much about that. But it's just crazy. You know what I mean? It is insane. Anyways, still the market not doing anything. I'm really hoping we don't chop today. I really want to give you guys a trade because tomorrow we have Powell speaking. It's like we have news stacked upon, stacked on news, when news, everywhere. But guys, tomorrow I will not be trading PM session. I will not be trading PM session. I will be doing the AM session. But the thing is with Powell speaking that same day, I don't know if the market's gonna be choppy or not. So we gotta be very careful tomorrow. Crush 7, bro. KP, you've been killing it, bro. Oof, you have been killing it, man. Look at that, bro. Shit. But yeah, tomorrow it's with Powell coming along, we gotta be very careful. I really hate trading days where Powell speaks, but tomorrow he speaks at 3 p.m. EST, so I'm sure we have some movement in the morning that we can really work with, right? So it's all about that, bro. Now you're up $700,000. Oh my god, bro, bro. If you sell that, bro, you better give me a share, bro. Nah, fuck with you. Well, I mean, donations are always welcome for the hey David, any tips on being more disciplined to help out with psychology? Not taking trains when you shouldn't. Only trading the same session and time, etc. I tell myself only trade when you trade to keep myself disciplined. Okay, first of all, do not trade when I trade. If you see something in the market, take it, bro. You're in trading, bro. You're your own boss. Don't rely on me to um to really tell you. Now, if you feel comfortable taking a trade, make sure that you're learning why I'm taking it, and always journal and see, okay, he took it because he saw this. How can I find this exact setup on my own? You know what I mean? Take advantage of this, because obviously I'm not gonna be here forever, and I won't be trading with you guys forever. You know. Um. So yeah. Now, discipline wise, the best thing I can tell you, bro, is the gym. The gym is the really the only place, not the only place, but it's one of the main places that really builds discipline for you. Like let's say for example, like, I don't want to go to the gym. Like, you're gonna discipline yourself to go. Same thing applies with trading. It's like a win-win. It's like a win-win situation here. So 100% go to the gym. 100%. That's it. Trust me, it'll build discipline. You don't have to do like any specific thing. Just the more you go, the more you eat healthy, the more you do everything like that. It will just build discipline over on the charts. Why? Because you're training your mind. You're gonna be disciplined everywhere in life with the gym. So 100% do that. But yeah, the main thing I want to kind of tell you is try not to rely just off me. Sure, I put out alerts for a reason. I trade with you guys live for a reason, so you guys can make money while learning, right? Now, you need to make sure you're learning, right? Because as you keep doing it every single, you guys know I'm live every single day at a set time, pretty much every day, right? It's training. Think of this as training. Rinse and repeat every single day. Same setup, same everything, same executions, right? The more you do it, boom. You know what I mean? You just get better at it, and that goes for everyone in here, by the way. That's not just for Doll. I've been sleeping on the gym, bro. No, you gotta push, and I don't want to hear anything that's like, oh, I don't have time. Like this is you bro. Like you can always make time if you have time for it, bro. Like you have time. You have time. Trust me. I'm sure you're not busy for 24 hours throughout the day. Like, you have time. You just gotta push yourself, and that's how you build the discipline. And trust me, like I said, it applies to literally everything in life. If it's important, you make exactly. Bro, ooh, that car is nice, bro. I just don't know the strat too well. Well, bro, lucky for you, I have 1,000,001 videos posted on my YouTube about the strategy. You just, you can always watch them. They're all here, bro. They're all here, bro. um, Let me see. I think about it like video games. You just gotta get on every game. Exactly, it applies to everything, bro. It applies to everything. No, I'm not sleeping on it, bro. Trust me. You guys gotta be patient. Did you like yesterday's trade in the PM? Yes, bro. You guys killed it yesterday. You guys went. By the way, guys, we just took out London. Um, you guys, that trade that you guys caught, it was amazing. It was amazing. You guys read it perfectly. We took out every single low to the downside. We got the sweep. We formed the MSS. We inversed a very nice fair value gap, and you guys took the perfect entry, and it literally hit almost every price target. So you guys really killed it. I love to see it. So it shows me that you guys, are learning to trade on your own, or as a community. I know some people, you guys were chatting there in the chat. But yeah, okay. Now, guys, we ended up taking out this London low finally. Right, it only took 30 minutes, which it wasn't that bad. Right now, I would prefer we take out 101, because if not, we're gonna have a trade like yesterday where, if we take a trade, we have to worry about an Asia low, blah blah blah. So we're still setting off a little bit. Let's see if we can sell off about 22 more points to see if we can take out this 101 level, and then we should be good for a very nice bias in the market. But for now, kind of, we're still deciding here. We still need a setup, so whether we take out this level or not, we still need something to work with. So we're still waiting on that, guys. We're still waiting on that. Now, Asia is kind of still chopping out a little bit. Nothing too crazy going on. Or I'm not Asia. Yes, my bad. But yeah, let's see. We sold off pretty nice. We just need a 15-point sell off here. We should be good for that sweep. Anyways, let me see. What's up, David? Did you take any trades yet? No, bro, nothing yet. Nothing yet. We're waiting on something to pop up here in the market. We're waiting for something to show up. Bro, KP, that was the perfect one. Bro, okay. So guys, KP said trading is just like catching a taxi. If you miss one, you don't just hop in a random car. You wait patiently for the next one. Exactly, bro. Bro, that is like the perfect example. Bro, I'm gonna pin that. Hold up. Bro, I'm gonna pin that, bro. That's like the perfect example. Wow. How do you know what days you're not gonna use a fair value gap for a setup? I always use a fair value gap. There will never be a time where I enter off a trade without a fair value gap. That's something that I need in my confirmation. So remember, before you enter a trade, you gotta ask yourself, okay, you gotta look for 4 things. You gotta identify the trend. Have we taken out drawn liquidity? Are we getting an MSS? And if we are, which fair value gap can I take to take that setup? If you're missing one of those things, the setup is not the setup that you're looking for. So you're just gonna wait for something better to form, right? If you're missing one of those 4 things, you don't take it, right? Because we're only here. You guys know me. I like to have my setups perfect. If one thing is missing, I will never take it. I don't care how good it looks. I won't take it, right? So you gotta ask yourself these 4 things: trend, drawn liquidity sweep, MSS, fair value gap. 4 things. That's all you need. If you have those things, boom. Trading is just like farting. If you force it, it's probably shit, bro. Bro, I've read that one a lot, bro. But here, giving away one dozen donuts for free. Oh shit, I might need to go get that. But yeah, let me see. Please watch the videos more than once. Yeah, of course. No, you can watch it once, because the thing is, I have a lot of videos, but in each and every single video, I'm covering the same thing. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like rinse and repeat. So once you start understanding it from one video, you quickly hop on to the next video, and then the next one, and the next one is gonna keep getting clearer and clearer in your mind. Once again, guys, the channel is right here if you guys do need it. Hold on. So for my new people in here, because there's a lot of new people that have been joining the premium, maybe you guys are like, hey, like, how do I learn the strat? Guys, it's all in this channel right here, the Day Trading Guide channel. It's completely free. This goes for my people on YouTube as well, the 60 people in there. Guys, Click the second link in the description if you guys don't have access to a free Discord. You join it. There's going to be a channel that's called Day Trading Guide. Look at it right here. Right? There's going to be a channel right here called No, wait, no, not this one. Day Trading Guide. Right? Everything that you guys need, it's all in here. All the videos that you guys it's endless. Endless scrolling. Endless scrolling. So all the videos that you guys need about my strategy and me breaking it down with trade recaps and everything, it's all here. There should be no excuses on you guys saying, oh, but like, this guy charged me $2,000 for a shitty message. No, guys, it's all free. Learn that. It'll work. All right. Why wouldn't we take the fair value gap at 8:30? It's because the fair value gap from Monday is still respected at 8:30. Okay. Well, this fair value gap, I already said, the fair value gap is there. Yes, it is a valid fair value gap. Good eyes on that. You found it correctly. But the thing is the confirmations behind the fair value gap. There's nothing there to kind of confirm the setup, right? It's just a fair value gap. We don't have any sweeps. We don't have any continuation models. We don't know what to possibly take off of that setup. All right. So yeah, just because it's a fair value gap does not mean that it's a valid setup. That's one of the 4 things that we're looking for. Grace. Yeah, no, it's true though. Like, a lot of people always tell me that, like, hey, the videos have been working out, even though if I'm not following your trades, then we sweep. Yeah, guys, I mean, it's right here. Now, just because we took out this low does not mean that we're gonna have a setup. We need to wait for the setup to form, right? Remember the 4 things. We need a trend to the upside, which would be the MSS, or no, we have the trend. It's a bearish trend. We took out the drawn liquidity. So now, guys, we've taken out 2 of the 4 stuff that we need for a setup. All right, guys. So hear me out here. We formed the MSS, which is step 3. Remember, trend, drawn liquidity, MSS. We need a sweep above this 101 level and possibly above this 114 level. We take out this sweep. We form the MSS. Right? That's the 3rd confirmation. The 4th one is a fair value gap, which is where we're going to enter from. It's a cherry on top. If we don't have those, we can't really enter off a setup. So it's all about waiting, guys. It's all about waiting. If we don't have anything, we're not going to take anything. That's how we build discipline here, guys. All right? But yeah, so far the market is selling off a little bit, which is fine. Of course, sellers are still in a little bit of control. Buyers can't just take that control out of nowhere. You know what I mean? They need to step in a little bit. So we'll see it as time goes on. Now, if you want to go lower and possibly take out this 21,054 level, even better. I wouldn't mind taking out this level. It is one of the strongest levels that we have down here. So I'd much rather have us sweep this level, form a fair value gap right here, and then we can inverse that, right? So let's see if we even have a valid one. Oh yeah, we definitely do. Perfect, perfect. Okay, guys, we might have a setup forming here. Guys. So I'm gonna delete this level. Come on, let's take this out. It's 2 points away. Well, it was 2 points away. Let's see. Uh-oh. Hopefully we take out this level. It's all we need. And hopefully we hold up this fair value gap as well. ES took out London and Asia too. Oh, wow. Yeah, no, ES looks really weak. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. So now, guys, we would ideally want to start looking to be a little bit more bullish in the market. Not yet, but we want to start looking towards it. All right, guys. So let's see if we can go ahead and take out this low right here. This is all we need, guys. We need to take out this low and hold this fair value gap. We have 2 minutes inside of this candle, so we need to see how this holds up. It's already a valid fair value gap, but we need to close like as a full candle. It's a 60-point candle. But we'll see, though. We'll see. What are the chances we sell off again in a minute and 30 seconds? What are the chances? This might be like the one setup we can have all morning. So we need it. The 10 a.m. candle is also 40 points. This one right here, let me check. It doesn't look like it's a 40-point candle, but it could be. And it's 39 points. We can work off of it. It's kind of like whatever. I'd much rather have us trade off this one, though. I'd much rather have us trade off this one. But let's see. We have 1 more minute inside of this candle, guys. 1 more minute. Come on. We need to sell off 30 points. That's all we need. Is it possible? It's definitely really hard, but we'll see. Hey, good shit, bro. What'd you end up trading? I'm assuming shorts, right? Yes, sir. Yeah, I figured. Good shit, though. Good shit. As long as you made money. All right, we have 30 more seconds once again. Instead of, well, 25 seconds now. We need to sell off 20 more points, guys. What are the chances we sell off? I don't even care if we take out the liquidity right now or not. We need to create a fair value gap in this candle. We need a 23-point sell-off here. Come on, let's get some selling here. Come on. ES is already trying to sweep. So, guys, we should be looking to be bullish very soon. The problem is, guys, is we don't have the setup for it. Yeah, we're not going to create a fair value gap here. Damn, we had a perfect setup. I still want to take out 54. We might as well. I don't want to be bullish until we take that out. Plus, what indicator are you using? ICT kill zones. You can search it up and it'll be there. Now, I'm not gonna trade off of this fair value gap. I just want to see how it reacts off of it. But the thing is, I really want to take out 20,054. That's one level that I really want to take out so we could be bullish. I already know ES wants to be bullish. I mean, we swept liquidity. Buyers are stepping in very nice. We're bullish here, guys. We're really bullish. But man, I just don't feel comfortable trading this yet until we take out 20,054. That's the problem here, guys. Look, we missed it by 2 points. Look at this. 2 points. 2 points. You know? But hopefully we can reject off this really tiny fair value gap and go back down. That's one thing I would hope for. You know? One more small pullback before the big move up. But guys, if we inverse this, there's a big chance that we're probably going to go a lot higher. Like a lot higher. Everything is lining up bullish. I just don't want to take it because the confirmations are not looking perfect. Equal lows don't work. It's like look, bro, we have the level right here which looks so perfect and we just barely took it out. We didn't take it out, like, just, you know, almost. So it's like now we don't know if the market wants to go back down to officially take out the orders here, or if we want to go back up because we took out these two lows right here. You get what I'm saying? Like, we're in a very confusing spot right now. So I don't know. Like, if you guys want to take this, you guys really could. I mean, the setup does not look bad at all. Don't get me wrong. The question is can it even hold up? Because we don't know if the market wants to go back down again to take out the orders sitting at this 54 level. Remember, guys, liquidity is formed by people placing their stop loss at the complete low, right? Where's the complete low? It's right here, guys, at 21,054, right? So everyone that went into longs around this range, they have their stop losses placed right here, which creates a lot more liquidity in the market, right? Now, we want banks, before they make the market go up, if they want to make the market go up, they want to get filled at the absolute bottom. How do they do this? They know where the stop losses are at by reading, you know, the algorithm can read all the orders in the market, right? It looks for a big liquidity pool in the market. It manipulates price to go into that liquidity pool, which in this case will be at 21,054, stops everyone out. They sell the orders, because obviously when you sell an order, you know, when you get stopped out, you sell your order over to someone else, right? We sell it over to the banks, they get filled at the absolute bottom, and then they make the market go up, right? That's how this works. Now, if we have not taken out liquidity, we're in a spot where we don't know if banks want to push us down one more time to really get filled at the absolute bottom, or if they are ready to make this go up by inversing this fair value gap. We don't know this. We really don't know. It's all a matter of reading to see if we could take out 21,054 or not. You know what I mean? So yeah, although the setup, don't get me wrong, looks perfect, looks beautiful, I would take it in a heartbeat. I'm not going to put you guys in a position where I'm not comfortable really putting out a trade without us taking out this low. So I don't care if this plays out. I really don't care. I'm going to stay disciplined and wait for 54 to get taken out. If it doesn't, oh well. You know, we'll just wait for PM to give us a better setup. Alright? But yeah, now I hope you guys understand the drawn liquidity part. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for buyers to get stopped out at 21,054, so then we can enter the longs. Alright? Do you think it's because we swept ES? Yes, that's a big reason why we're pumping up right now. We swept we swept ES London lows and ES Asia lows. Honestly, there's not much, you know, we still have the main low down here, but it plays a big role. You know what I mean? Like with ES sweeping lows, you know, ES and NQ, they follow each other together, right? So obviously if ES takes out two lows, right, and buyers want to step in, NQ is going to step in out of nowhere as well and push up alongside ES. That's why we use both of them to have kind of an S&T here. Alright? But hopefully we can get a very nice rejection here. We're trying to. So what this is showing us, guys, is this fair value gap is being respected, which is a very, very good thing, right? Why is it a good thing? Well, if we know that a fair value gap is being respected, we can use it with confidence, knowing that it's a valid fair value gap, right? So what we could do here, guys, is we can wait for a very nice rejection off the midpoint right here. We wait for a rejection. We take out this low. We expect buyers to step in. right? Once we get the MSS, we start creating higher highs and higher lows, right? Because right now the market is creating the main high up here. We have a lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, right? So what is the market doing right now? Well, it's in a bearish trend right here, right? The market is constantly creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. What does this mean? Bearish trend. We take out liquidity and everything, right? We sweep right here, right? We sweep liquidity. We start creating the main low, higher low, right here, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. This shows you that the trend is bullish. It flipped after we swept liquidity, right? The market went from creating lower highs and lower lows into creating higher highs and higher lows, right? So that is the MSS confirmed. Now, how can we enter? Well, we know that this 5-minute bearish rally gap is a valid one because we currently just rejected off of it right here, right? So what do we look for? We simply look for an inverse right here. We take longs, we target liquidity right here, and we target this liquidity up here. Do you guys get what I'm saying here? It's a pretty easy reading, to be fair. But that's my overall game plan right now. To take a trade, we will need 21,054 to get taken out. If not, we're not trading anything, no matter what happens. Don't build FOMO for no reason. You know what I mean? Like how KP said, if you miss one setup, you know, it's like a taxi pretty much. But yeah, guys, that's the current setup right now. We need a sweep below 21,054. Now I do want to write this in the commentary though. So guys, give me 1 second. Let me write this over in the commentary real quick. So okay, let me see. Okay, so looking at NQ now that here's what I'm watching. With NQ taking out London and Asia lows. See? 21,054.75. What I'm looking for here is for 21,000, or is for the final level of DOL to get taken out. I'll swept at 21,054.75 to if sellers can push this down into 21,054.75, we could hold on guys, give me a second. We could look use this this current 5-minute bearish VG to inverse it, and turn 1,000 to 43.50. Okay, premium. Okay, so let me write down this. The thing is, I don't know if this is gonna inverse or not. I don't want it to inverse. I really don't, because then the whole setup would be kind of out of it would just be, you know, out of the picture. So we have the New York low, DOL, there's your setup, guys. Okay, my bad for taking so long writing that. It's just, I like to be very detailed when writing the commentary, so you guys know exactly what I'm looking for. So there it is, and there it is. Okay, perfect. All right. So I really hope you guys understand the game plan. Okay, I got a question here from someone here in the premium chat. How long do you plan on trading on the server? I don't know. A few more years definitely. I still have a few more years before I move on to something different. But who knows? Maybe the payouts turn into something bigger. You never know, right? But up until I have my real estate portfolio, and I'm still gonna be doing trading for sure. Something I could just get rid of. But server wise, I don't know. I don't know what plans I have for the future. But yeah, you don't think this is A plus setup if it goes up? Not yet, bro. Not yet. No, 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 Kevin. I'm saying you guys could take this inverse if you guys really want to, and if you guys are really bullish. But if you want to look at it from an A plus setup standpoint, I would definitely run the risk of missing the setup to look for a sweep below 2154 first, and then we go up after the MSS forms. So I'm kind of waiting on that, Kevin. So right now it's not A plus, although the setup looks really good. Don't get me wrong, it's being respected, it's doing everything. I don't want to be bullish until we take out every order to the downside, which the final one is at 21,054.75. All right. So yeah. Let me see. Let me catch up with the chat real quick. What about oil futures? I don't really trade oil. That doesn't really follow with NQ. I'm also using trading to grow real estate portfolio. Yeah, bro. The thing is with trading, yes. People say don't it's not an overnight thing, but yeah, no, you guys, you can really make a lot of money from trading in a few years. Not to the point where you have to work your entire life until you retire to be able to afford a home. So yeah, the way this works is you use trading to get rich, you use real estate to get wealthy, and that's my plan, guys. So it's obviously it takes a lot of time and you know a lot of everything, a lot of stress and everything. So obviously I can't do trading. Well, I can do trading my entire life. It's just I with the server. I obviously I can't lose my entire life. It's too many people to manage. I'm busy all day. So you know what I mean. Like I want to be more free in the future once I get a little bit older. You know. So yeah. How come you don't trade with bigger fundeds than a 50K? No. The reason I don't do that is because, okay, you guys have to look at the payout rules. With bigger fundeds, you're doing 10 times more work than a 50K, but you're only making an extra $1,000 profits per payout. Look at this. I don't know if you guys knew this, but it's pretty dumb. It's pretty dumb. So I always prefer just using 50Ks and just copy trading. Look, with a what's it called? With a let's say for example, a 300K account, you need to make how much? How much you need to make? Shit, I forgot. It was like 20,000 to get the payout or something like that. Whatever you guys have to do, it's a lot of money, right? And you can only request $3,500. You get what I'm saying? Like it's pretty dumb. I much rather just do 10 times less work on a 50K account, get a payout of $2,000, and just go from there. I mean, I'm still making money regardless. You get what I'm saying? So I love the 50Ks. The drawdown is just perfect. The profit target is even more perfect, and you still make a lot of money. Any trades yet? Nah, bro, not yet. Nothing yet. Till 60? Oh, hell no. No. No, bro. With the amount of the thing is, with the amount of stress I get sometimes, bro, I don't even think I can make it to 60 with the server. Bro. Would you have someone take? Okay, yeah, no. So I have an idea of what I want to do with the server. I obviously won't shut it down. That's the last thing I will ever do. But I would probably just turn it into something else. You know what I mean? Like maybe have other traders in here. And also, I don't know. But for now, it's a one-man mission. You guys know I manage DMs, I manage the server, I manage messages, I do trading, I alert. I don't know if you guys noticed or not. I really don't have anyone in my team. So now that I really need it, I like to stay busy, because sometimes I just feel like, what about 25K account? You can only request 1.5K if I'm not mistaken. 1.5K. Riffs, bro. I mean, who knows, bro? I don't know what I got planned for the future. Who knows? Hey, bro. Which other videos you're teaching the strategy? Hey, it's right here. It's right here. Here you go, bro. Let me see. How come? Wait, how come you don't want to take this trade, but the risk your trade yesterday? Because there's confirmations. LA. The trade yesterday, although it was risky, we still took out the London lows and we still rejected off the fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, well, we're getting the movement that I want to see. Here, it's a lot more riskier because we're in the same spot as yesterday. Yesterday we took the risky trade from London lows or London highs, my bad. And we're like, okay, we can really reject off these London highs, but we right above it we have Asia highs. So there's a possibility where we can reject off the Asia highs and then go back down. Right? Same case goes here. We took out this Asia high. We can really go up, but we still have this 54 level that we might want to take out before we go up. So I'd rather stay a little bit more safe and take out this low right here, and then just inverse this fair value gap above. That's what I much rather do. Can you copy trade on EVA and PA account? Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. I'm gonna delete all these stuff, guys, because I really want to zoom into the chart. Plus, you guys have the commentary already written out, so you guys can just use that. Okay, there you go. All right. I know. It seems like price is chopping up a little bit. It's been chopping for the last 15 minutes or so. What does your mother and father say about your success? Honestly, they never really said anything up until I got the car. Then obviously they had something to kind of show for it. But it's not like bragging or anything. They're like, oh yeah, like he does this and this and this, and like, oh wow, tell me more about it, and that's about it. I guess am I late? A little bit, but you didn't miss anything. We're still waiting on the setup. You still haven't missed anything. But price seems to be chopping up a little bit, so I don't know how that's gonna move. It's all about patience. No one else trades in your family. The only reason, okay, now a lot more people in my family are starting to trade because obviously they saw my mom post on Facebook like, oh look, you know what I mean, and they're like, oh, like I want to try it out, like blah, blah, blah. But other than that, if it wasn't for me, no one really trades at all. Maybe crypto. Maybe my brothers probably did crypto. Yeah, though they did crypto before me. But that's about it. Bro, that's about it. We can't. I've already been talked about this. Let me see, David. What should I say when people ask me what I do in my life, bro? I know I might be the person to ask, bro, but when people ask me to, I just kind of I'm like, oh, I feel embarrassed to say I day trade because it's just the communities. The bro, the gurus ruined it, bro. I don't know. I kind of just say like, I don't know. I kind of just like I'm like oh, like I just trade in the markets, just like that, and they're like, oh yeah. And like you can see the disappointment in their face, bro. I tell people I do OnlyFans. I should probably start doing that, bro. Nah, but nah. Like anytime someone, I know I'm probably the one to ask and everything. But guys, I don't know if it's just me. But anytime someone asks, I'm embarrassed. It's gotten to the point where I'm embarrassed to say that I day trade. They're like, oh, you're probably like one of those gurus that pumps cryptos and shit. Because that's what trading is known for nowadays. You know how embarrassing that is. Like you really know how embarrassing that is. It's dumb because these people that they sell courses and all of this and all that stuff, they ruined the community. They really did, to the point where I'm embarrassed to say I day trade because it's just a bad image on me. Because guys, let's be honest here. If you don't know me and I come up to you and they're like you're like, oh, what do you do? I say I day trade. You're gonna be like, oh, like I much rather, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. I much rather say that I'm a drug dealer than say I day trade. You know what I mean? Like I much rather do that. Yeah, especially in Miami. No, maybe only in Miami. Yeah. What's your rank in TS2? I'm global and face to 10, bro. That's a weird question. How did you even know? What the hell? Bro, Uzi. In Miami, it will slide. Yeah, no, for sure, for sure. You can make the most out-of-pocket thing in Miami, and it'll be more normal than anything else. I'm a professional gambler. That's what I have my Instagram handle as, professional gambler. Guys, the market is chopping up a little bit here. It's getting a little bit ugly here. I can't lie. Now, obviously, you guys see the price action here. It's getting very, very ugly. Okay. What time would you guys want to call it for an AM and possibly come back PM session? Because you guys know what's gonna happen. You guys know what's gonna happen. 11. All right, we'll do 11. All right, sounds good, guys. 30 more minutes in the market. All right, all right. I just really want to take out this low right here. Regardless, guys, if we don't take out this low, I probably don't want to trade anything up until we get it. The 1 minute looks like a barcode. Bro, I can only imagine, bro. Let's look at it. Oh my. Yeah. Yikes. This is not very good, guys. And the 5 minute looks even worse somehow. It's just wicks. Yep, too many wicks. Can you mark out the position if it were to hit the low? Like where I would enter? Is that what you're trying to say? Enter and exit. Okay. Okay. So what you would look for is a sweep below this. Oh my, you actually got it. Wow. Okay. We look for a sweep below this low, and then we look to enter right here, right? Right above the fair value gap. We have a 25-point stop loss like this, and we target liquidity above up here. So if you want to screenshot this, look at it like this. Buyers are strong down there. It's not that they're strong, it's just that both directions are just as weak, right? So that's why the market isn't moving, because if buyers are strong, we would be trending up, you know, by now. So yeah, perfect. Thank you. I was just curious about the top. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. But bro, don't take it. Don't take it until we take out liquidity down here. But yeah, I'm really hoping we don't inverse this up until we take it out. But I don't know. The chances of us pushing this down is pretty slim. I'm gonna say pretty slim. But we'll see. We can only hope. We can only hope. Yo, David, I think the market's sending you to get water. Okay, bro. I just don't. I really don't wanna. I really don't wanna inverse this. I really don't wanna inverse this, because if we do, the setup is gone. You know. I mean, we can always make another one. You sizing light on this? I'm not taking it yet. I'm not taking it yet. I'm not taking this yet. Even if we inverse it, I'm not gonna take it. No matter what, we need. I'm not gonna take anything, guys, until we take out 21,054. I don't care what it is. Because if I'm gonna give you guys something that I'm confident in, I'm gonna take it off this. Let's see, are you guys? Oh yeah, okay. Let me see. Let me see the votes. Okay, yeah. So majority of the people aren't gonna take it. Obviously, there's gonna be those handful of people, which is icy and clan killer. But we'll see. We'll see how this plays out. Now, I'm not saying that this fair value inverse won't work. I just won't take it myself because of the lack of confirmation. We're missing the deal was sweep. Yes, it's looking strong. Oh yeah, it is. Yep. We're about to, oh yeah, we're about to inverse with nothing stopping us. Thing is, like I said, guys, I'm not gonna give you guys something that I'm not confident in, no matter what. I mean, yeah, look, we okay, look, technically we already inversed it. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see. Oh yeah, guys, you know, we were to enter like right here with this pump up, right? Let's see how it plays out. That's the only thing we can do right now, guys. We can only see how it plays out. And that's not me neither. Me neither. But let's see. Do you think it's smart to push my PA to 57k before taking? No, guys. The whole point of a funded account is to make money from the funded account. Don't hold onto that account. Once you're eligible for a payout, take it, bro. That's the whole point of fundeds, to make money. You know what I mean? You make that money, and then you put it back into a live account, and you trade with a live account with your own money. So you have no rules. You can request whenever you want and stuff like that. But don't bag gold, because you never know what could happen. Maybe you leave an overnight position open, or you know your stop loss fills more than it should. Stuff like that. So be very careful, Braden. All right. For me, what I would tell you is, okay, Apex already made a rule for the buffer, right? So instead of you guys being able to request a payout at 52,600, they upped it up to 53,600. So you have a $1,000 buffer. All right. So yeah, just be careful with that. Doesn't it freeze? No, it freezes at 50,100, not 51,000. 50,100. Holy dump. Yeah, I hope no one took that. The confirmations are just not there, guys. And just like that, you would have been stopped. Yeah. Set up flip. Well, I mean, the market is still chopping. We can agree here, guys. We can definitely agree here. But yeah, still nothing in our position. Still nothing here. We're still waiting patiently, guys. I hope no one took that. Can you show what tool what's it called? What tool you use to make a fair value gap? Yeah, of course, bro. Okay, look on the side, on the left hand side, you're gonna see a brush, right? You're gonna see like a little brush right here. Double click the brush, go all the way down to rectangle. Place your rectangle down. Double click the rectangle, right? It's gonna bring up these settings. Go ahead and screenshot this, and you should be good to go. What's the name of the indicator? ICT kill zones. Well, ICT kill. Oh, here. I'll just link it. Bro, did you get the screenshot? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Yes. Okay. Perfect. Bad. Okay. The name of the indicator is. Here it is. Guys, this price action looks really weird. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Look at this. Here it is. Let me see. Name of the indicator right here. There it is, bro. Okay. Where do you look for volume? I look at the candles. I look at the size and the speed of the candles. That's what determines the volume. The size, which is the points, and the speed on how fast the momentum is moving. If you're missing one of those two things, you don't take it. Now, if you were to take that trade, would you have gotten stopped out? Oh yeah, no, you would have been stopped out. Yep, you would have gotten bottom ticked. Size matters. In trading, it does, bro. In trading. Yep. Now, life, I don't know. But trading, yes, definitely. I think patience will win here. I'm gonna wait till I like how the PAs will. Of course, bro, of course. And guys, remember, if we don't get a trade today, there's always tomorrow. There's always Friday. There's always next week. There's always next month. There's always next year. All right. Just because you guys missed one setup that didn't even look that good doesn't mean anything. Can I see your ICT kills? Yeah, of course. Here, guys. So click the settings, inputs. Here it is, guys. Bless you, bro. Never hold your sneeze. It's bad for you. Thank you. I just didn't want to be loud on the mic. Sneeze one more time, bro. I dare you, bro. What? Thanks. I got you, guys. There it is. Okay. What do you measure the candlesticks with? A ruler. You click. No, not a but you click the ruler right here, left hand side, right above the magnifying glass, and then make sure you have the magnet on weak. Always make sure you have it, right? Then you just grab it, and then boom, 35 points, just like that. A little, bro. Plus indicator. Oh, bro, it's very old, very old. No, it's very old. This indicator, guys. For those that don't know, it's when I used to trade trend lines. Let me turn around. Let me see if it even still works. Oh yeah, EMAs and trend lines, guys. Shh, bro. If you guys traded back in like 2021, you guys will know that EMAs were a very popular strategy. Only real OGs, exactly, bro. Yeah. I completely forgot about this. It didn't even work. Oh yeah, there it is. But yeah. Okay, but yeah, guys, price is moving really weird still. I don't like it yet. I don't like it to take any position. 9.15, 20. Yeah, bro. There it is. Yep. Those were the best ones. I don't know. The 15 EMA was really good. It was my favorite one. But should we call it? Price is edging us all day. If you guys want to call it early, you guys definitely could. Let me save you guys some time here. I don't think we get a setup for a while, maybe even till PM. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, because look, price is moving really slow, and we still have to take out this low right here before we even get something. So, first of all, the market has to dump 60 to 70 points and then it has to pump up again to create a setup. So it's gonna, it's gonna be a little bit, like a little bit slow here. That's even if we get the sweep. We don't know that. We don't know that. Peace, my children. Patience is a key to life, bro. But there's no way, bro. Did you go from an OnlyFans profile picture to a Jesus profile picture, bro? Let me see. What are the ICT equivalents zone for, bro? That's how we find the London highs and London lows. The indicator does it for you, right? So you will notice that if you put my settings on, you will see that it creates the Asia highs, London lows, Asia lows. It does it every single session, right? So when you wake up, you're like, like I have to chart. No, the indicator's like, hey, good morning. Here are the levels for today. And then you just work off that, right? So yeah, it kind of just does the job for you, pretty much. David, if in an hour before PM, it goes and hits 21,000. Yeah, anytime, whenever the setup comes up, we'll take it. I don't care what time it is. I'll take it. He's a changed man. Yeah, literally. Like, bro, we're not gonna forget about that profile picture. What was her name? It was like, I forgot her name, bro. It's going down. Yeah, but we haven't taken out anything yet, so. Need a face cam tomorrow? Bro. Sophie Rent, yeah, that's who it is. Bro, I stopped doing face cam on YouTube because, bro, it was a whole, bro, guys. I wake up and the last thing I want to do is my hair, like, cause I get bedhead. I think everyone does. It's a normal thing. And right now as I'm speaking, I have bedhead, but no one knows that because I don't have my face cam on. So maybe I can have my hair done. You guys don't know that. Maybe I can be all freshened up. But no. Buzz. Bro, okay, you guys are taking it out of, okay. David, is the fair value gap still valid? No, it's not. No. So even if we were to take out the setup, we can't even take the, we can't even take the fair value gap. This price action is way too ugly. But nothing that some patience can't fix. Bro, 0. Do you do PM session if there's no trade in the AM? Yeah, of course. Yep, I do. That's if there's a setup. Now, there's gonna be times where you could use. Okay, guys. For those that don't know, well, it's pretty much common sense. You guys can always use the AM session as an indicator on how PM session will move. Now, if AM session is very, very choppy, I'm talking choppy like this. Don't expect buyers to just randomly step in the PM session. So if AM is choppy, most of the times PM will be choppy. So How old am I? I'm 19. 19. Up $300 on stupid ass place, bro. I hope you're not forcing trades in this market, bro. David, what time zone are your charts in? They are in New York, right here. UTC 5, New York. Right here, this one. So if you guys are gonna use the indicator, make sure you guys have this time zone on. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I don't know. I really don't know. But just in case. Perfect. I got you, bro. Calling it, catch you guys later. Oh, bro, Joker, take it easy, bro. I might call it very soon as well. Don't worry. This market is way too ugly. How long have you been studying before you became profitable? It took me 2 years myself to become profitable. 2 years. Every single day, 8 hours a day. I promise you guys, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, pretty much 4 to 5, maybe to 8 hours a day, charting every single day, trading setups. I know I was losing everything, but guys, you guys have to trust the process. You guys have to trust the process. Wait, when can you say a fair value gap is invalid using today, for example? Do you still count the fair value gap charted even though we swept the 154 area? Okay, first of all, we have not taken out the 54 area. Second of all, a fair value gap is invalid when we sweep it. So, for example, if we have this fair value gap right here, you can see that we filled the fair value gap, but we didn't hold above it, right? So when you see that we break above the fair value gap and we wick right below it, that means that it is not very valid at all, right? So you will go ahead and delete it, right? So anytime a fair value gap gets filled, like the entire gap is, there's price inside of the gap, that's it. You can't use it anymore because all of the imbalances inside of that fair value gap already got, they got filled pretty much. So it won't play out the same. So let's say, for example, we pump back up. I'm like, okay, guys, I'm bullish. we can't take this fair value gap anymore because it's not a fair value gap. There's no gap. It already got filled. You know what I mean? So how do you know it won't? Well, it's not. Remember, we're playing probability here, right? It could retrace back, or it couldn't, right? We're playing our odds here. How do we play our odds? You guys have to know. Trading is kind of an odds game. Yes, you can consider it gambling, but you can kind of read the charts rather than just completely 50-50 it, right? So how do you raise your probability? Using confirmations, right? So you guys might notice, why didn't I take this inverse fair value gap? Well, I'm playing the probability, right? In this case, since we have not swept any liquidity to the downside, you're kind of doing a 50-50. We don't know if we're going to go higher, or we don't know if it's going to go lower. Why? Because we still have liquidity below and we also have liquidity above. So if you guys took this trade, consider it a 50-50 here. Like an actual 50-50 percent chance of it playing out. Now, if we took out liquidity to the downside, we swept liquidity, we formed the MSS, the trend is flipping bullish, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, we inverse this fair value gap, then you're probably going to have an 80 to 20% chance of winning, right? Why is that? Well, there's probability. We took out every single confirmation to the downside to the point where nothing makes sense. Wait, no, not like it will just make sense if we go up. That's what I try to say, right? So if we took out this low at 54 and we inverse this, then yes, it will be a lot better because we have more confirmations and more probability in our favor, right? So remember, guys, and even if it looks like super perfect, I'm talking A plus setup, right? A plus perfect, it can still play against you always, and that's why you guys always need to manage your risk. I don't like when you guys full port because there shouldn't be any chance in the world where you guys full port a setup, no matter how confident you are, because it's not always going to be 100%. It could even be 99. It could be a 99% win rate setup, but it's always going to be that 1% of the loss, right? So you guys always got to consider that. All right. So keep that in mind. Do you consider fair value gaps invalid if it was filled by a wick? No, it could be a wick or a body, regardless of what it is. It's still an invalid setup. Now, if it's the body, you could trade into it. If it's the wick, then yeah, it's invalid. Must yourself proud when you see your mentoring gets real people real payouts, considering it took you 2 years. Good shit, man. Hey, bro, that's not trolling, bro. But thank you. It means the world to me, bro. Bro, it's crazy. Like, sometimes I look back, I'm like, damn, like, I really came this far, And I still have, for me, I'm still getting started. There's so much stuff that I want to do. You guys don't understand. But yeah, no, it does feel really good. What's it called? It does feel really good. Seeing people, get paid and all that stuff. Especially the people who need it. You know what I mean? They're trying to make a living off of trading and all that stuff. Speaking of, guys, I don't know if I want to say it. No, I can't say it. Not yet. Because I'm live on YouTube as well. I'm live on YouTube. Here, let me catch up. Speaking of YouTube, let me see. Link it, please. Oh, here. Let me go ahead and put the Discord. Damn, bro, that chat is probably old as hell. Is tomorrow a valid trading day considering the news? Yes, tomorrow will be valid only throughout the AM session. Now, the PM session, I'm going to completely avoid because we have Powell speaking at 3 p.m. EST, right? So tomorrow, even in the AM session, it could be very choppy because the market is probably waiting for Powell to start speaking at 3 p.m. EST. So it's going to be kind of a hit or miss here. So yeah, so tomorrow, yes, the AM could be tradable. Just be a little bit careful, all right? Can you show your settings for the index? Oh yeah, I already did that. Can you trade sideways? Like predict how far it's gonna go to the right. Are you saying chop? I don't trade chop. If that's what you're trying to say, no, I don't. I only trade a trend. When doing your next bootcamp video? I'm not sure yet, bro. I have a lot. The thing that I said, I'm like, guys, should I say it? No. I'm working on something there for this month. Speaking of, in about like 15 days ish. Literally like 10-15 days is when I'm gonna do it. There's gonna be that huge event in the server. Wait, what? Bro, I was in shorts. I was up 300 per account. I got out. She didn't film me. I come back to my laptop 25 minutes later to see this. Oh my, bro. Let me ask you something. Did you click like the gray button, the big gray button that's on your TradeAvate that says exit at market and cancel? Did you click that? Please tell me you did. Did you click that? Like the big gray, like the biggest button on the top of your screen. It's gray. It says exit at market and cancel. Yeah, I click a million and one times if I have to. What? Why were you in a position in the first place, bro? What? No, no, no. But GPU, did you like click the gray button, or did you get out manually? The limit orders, bro. Do not play limit, bro. Always do market, bro. Manually. Okay, look, guys. This is a tip for everyone as well. Guys, when you guys want to get out of your position, do not sell it by yourself. There's a big gray button. You can't miss it. It's a huge button. It's gray. It says exit at market and cancel. Always click that button. What that does is it gets you out of the position instantly, and it cancels any open orders that you guys have open in the market. So for example, if you guys have a stop loss down here, right, and you want to get out, and you click that button at the top, it's gonna get you out of the position. Yeah, that button, exactly, that button right there is gonna get you out of the position. Is gonna cancel all your trades. It's so cute, bro. Thank you, bro. Hey, bro, you keep saying that, bro. This is like the third time you said it. Thank you, though. Bro. Tell them again if you already did. Yeah, I got you, bro. Here you go. There it is, bro. There's the settings, and then of course under style, click boxes and labels. Check this out, cause this is very ugly. You don't want to have this in your chart. It's very distracting. Right. So just turn that off. Boxes and labels. Boom. Inputs. Here are the times that you guys need, and you guys should be good with that. And make it. Oh yeah, no, bro, you're good. Don't even stress it, bro. I got you. I got you. Just full port the next trade. No, I'm just kidding. But no, real shit. I got you. Where in the Apex rules does it say that your trading drawdown stops following a 52k on the PAs? I can't find it. I'm not sure. It's just an unknown thing. Like after you pass $52,000 on the account, your drawdown just freezes. But I know, guys, this chop is getting very ugly, very ugly. I don't like it. I don't like it whatsoever. Wait a minute. Let me see something on 1014. Okay. Yo, I just learned by watching an inverse, by watching for an inverse fair value gap, that if the candle doesn't close above the fair value gap, it's not an inverse. Yeah, bro, that's what I always tell you guys. If you guys always want to wait for the final confirmation, you guys always wait for the candle to close above. Now, you don't always need to do that. If price looks very strong in your direction, you guys can anticipate the close above by looking at the volume. So most times for me, I don't wait for a close above. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, right? But when I don't, I always make sure that price looks very strong to break above the candle. Why? Because we're anticipating the breakout or the close above, kind of, if that makes sense. All right. Okay, let me see. Let me catch up with the chat. Going to bed. Caught $200 scalp this morning. Oh yeah, bro. Call it. Don't trade this market, bro. Have a good sleep, bro. We got no news this Friday, right? I don't think so. Let me check for you. This Friday we have. Tomorrow we have Powell, which is gonna be a little bit hectic. Friday, yeah, we have no news. Friday is good. Friday is good. What if it doesn't let me trade? If it says order rejection about something about an auto liquidation, unfortunately, yes, bro, it's gone. Have you ever tried trading Forex? Nope, and I will never trade Forex. I do not like it. I don't like it. Just to be clear, on the freezing drawdown, if I'm up 60k, yes, you can lose. You can lose up to $10,000. Yep, you can lose $10,000 because your drawdown is frozen at 50,100. So, well, technically you can lose 9,900, but you know. When you pass EVA accounts, do we continue with the same balance? No, no, it goes. It's a fresh new account, but anything that you make from there on out is real money. Like you can get you can request a payout. Well, of course, after you hit the target. The two trades that we lost, it says order filled on my stop, but it keeps taking money. Wait, the two trades that we lost. What? What two trades? What trades are we in? Wait, the two trades that we lost, it says order filled on my stop, but it keeps taking out money past my stop. Why is that? Are you sure you're putting the right stop loss? You gotta make sure that you're stopping yourself out of the contract you're currently in, even after you trimmed. You gotta make sure of that. Oh yeah, bro, you blew their account. Yep, GPU, you blew it. I hate to see it, bro. You gotta be more aware, bro. Friday and yesterday. Oh, bro, you gotta make sure you put the right stop loss. Okay, let me see. Hey, Blasters. While waiting for the setup, I tried to finally copy trade and traded gold. My initial position was a sell, but one of my accounts went long. Has this ever happened? As I watched a copy trade video several times, not sure what to do. This is my other account series in general. Other one made beautiful profits. Okay, I've never had that issue. I've never seen anyone have that issue. What could have happened? Oh yeah. Well, okay. What? Oh, okay. Here's what could have happened, or what probably happened. You're in a short position. You place your stop loss above, right? Maybe you got stopped out on your position, but you probably trimmed before. So, if for those that don't know this, let's say for example, you guys enter a trade with 10 contracts. You place a stop loss. It's gonna place a stop loss for 10 contracts. And if it's going down and you guys trim, for example, 5 contracts, so you're holding 5 more contracts, that stop loss is gonna be staying at 10. You gotta replace it. Like you gotta take it out and place it again for 5, right? So if you never replace it, what tends to happen, just like GPU, is you get out of the position, right? But if the trade goes above, since the market doesn't know what you're doing, it's gonna fill you for an extra 5 contracts, right? Which is gonna be a long position, right? So it's sold. So for example, if the stop loss is set for 10 and you're holding 5 contracts, it's gonna sell 5 of those contracts. But what it's gonna do with the other 5? It's gonna buy it, right? So that's probably what could have happened, Chan. Like if you want, look over your order history and see where you place your stop loss and how much you placed it for, and you should be good. You should be good to go, right? And then that should fix it for you, bro. What the hell? I should have, bro. Okay, David. When you pass your eval, does your account reset again to 50K? Yep, it does. It resets brand new account. And then anything you make from there on out, you should be good to go. It should be your money. Oh my! I just blinded myself. Hold on, guys. There you go. Let me check something up real quick. Bet. Um, is it even a valid for valid anymore? Yeah, no, it's not. It's not. I don't even know why I have it. My bad. My bad on that. There you go. I deleted it. This is what I'm saying, bro. You guys gotta see the real picture. You know, it's a little bit. You know. Okay. How many evals did you blow before becoming profitable? Okay, you guys gotta understand. I came into futures when I was already profitable. You guys gotta remember, guys. I came from options. Now, obviously, like all of us did, we've all blown eval accounts. It's normal, you know. I mean, shit. I've blown over 100, more over 100. Yeah. And now, don't expect me to blow an account one by one. No, I mean, you know, I copy trade, so if I blow one, I'm probably gonna blow like 5, 10, or maybe even 15 at one time. So it adds up. You know what I mean? But yeah, no, I mean, we all blow accounts. It's normal. Come on, guys, we're human. Don't beat yourself up just because you guys blew an account. It's part of the game. You know what I mean? Call it, man. Nothing's gonna happen. Is it already 11? Yeah, guys, this price is very fucking ugly. Bro, Blast is funny as hell without even realizing it. Bro. You blew 100? Yeah, I mean, call it. I don't want to leave and then hear that you took a trade. Okay, yeah. Don't worry, I'll call it right now. But you know, I've blown over 100 counts. Yeah. A lot of people have. Um, you know, I mean, I don't know what to say. Yeah, no. Most of my accounts, like guys, like 80% of the 100 counts that I blew up, you guys gotta understand. I bought those accounts when they were $15 each. $15. That's less than like a Big Mac meal. You know what I mean? So yeah, you guys, because back then Apex used to do 90% off discounts a lot. Now they don't do it as much. I'm sure they're gonna do one for Black Friday. They're dumb if they don't. You know, if some Apex employee is watching my live, which I highly doubt or anything, but if you guys are, do 90% off for Black Friday. The sales that they're gonna make is insane, like millions of dollars type of sales, right? It's dumb if they don't. It's really dumb if they, you know, it's, come on now. If I was Apex, I'll be hyping that shit up. I'm on my 7th one right now, and I thought it was a lot, bro. No, I've blown through over the 3 figures, bro. You know, I've blown hundreds and ton of PAs. Yeah, no, I've blown PAs too. It's Guys, it's normal. You guys need to like boss up and learn how to take L's. Like it's part of the game. You guys can't learn if you guys don't take L's. It might take you 1,000 tries. It might take you 10,000 tries. Who cares? As long as you make money, that's it. You're good. You know what I mean? And don't be embarrassed to say it. If anything, be proud to say that you blew accounts. Can I leak? No, 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 no. Do not leak your account number. Why do you guys think I don't screen share my trade of 8? Do not leak your account number. I've blown about 20 in 4 months, bro. That's rookie numbers, bro. That's rookie numbers. But yeah, no, guys. Do not leak your Apex numbers. You guys, if people get a hold of that, they can always contact support and find a way to, maybe a workaround to get your accounts. So that's why I don't share my trade of 8. Trust me, I would have been done that, but I don't want to do that just for security purposes. And that goes for everyone in here. When you guys are showing pictures of your charts, make sure you guys like blur out your account ID. I'm just looking out for you guys because there's a lot of weirdos out there that like to, you know. Nah, like you guys will be fine. Like Apex, I'm sure Apex isn't dumb, but you never know. You never know. There's been times where my friend, one of my boys, his name is Lanto, um, he put his wins on Twitter, and someone tried to get access to his account, and he got the email saying like, hey, someone's trying to log in with your account ID. You know what I mean? So be careful with that, guys. Be very careful with that. What are your thoughts on a potential resection? 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 But where is that? Let me see. What does resection mean in the stock market? You mean recession? Oh, bro. You mean recession? Bro, we're not getting in a recession. I don't think so. Do you live stream every day? Yes, sir, I do. Every single day at 9:45 or 10 a.m. Without giving a trade, your lives are so valuable. I blew an account this morning because I didn't know info that you just shared today. I'm super thankful. Hey, bro, thank you, man. Much love, bro. Much love. Um, what's the difference between eval and PA? Eval is the test phase. PA is when you make money, you keep it. Has anyone ever tried international payouts? Yes, it's through Plane. It's like this website called Plane where they can wire you money internationally. Internationally. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, yeah, for those that are worried about international payouts and all that stuff, don't worry, guys. Apex already knows that. They have this website that they're kind of collabed with called Plane. I think it's called Plane. They will send you all your payouts through there, but you guys have to make an account there so that you can obviously receive the money. Let me see. I follow a lot of traders, and they've all said it takes 1 to 2 years to become profitable. After 6 months, it becomes a mental challenge. Okay, you can count me as one of those traders that always says that. Guys, trade. Okay, you guys gotta understand. Learning the charts is not hard. It's really not. It's literally rinse and repeat. It's looking at patterns, noticing what strategy works, how you can make it consistent. And in a matter of 6 months, you can really become really profitable with the chart. Now, you guys might, like I could be the best. I could read the charts 100% of the time, right? But if my mind is not in the right place, I could be red for a split second and be like, oh shit, like this trade is gonna go against me, and I get out. You know what I mean? It's all a mental challenge. Like those 1 to 2 years that you're gonna be struggling to become profitable is not because of the charts. It's because of your mind, discipline, patience, and that takes a long time to master. There's people that are old and they've never had discipline. So keep that in mind, bro. Like, becoming profitable is not reading the charts. It's managing your emotions. Reading the charts is not hard. Reading the charts is not hard at all. What's the main reason people blow accounts? I mean, okay. A big reason. I don't know if you guys know this. Here, let me put it up. Hold on. From, I can't put it up. Let me see. Has image. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me put this up. Bro, how many pictures do you guys send a day? Jeez. Okay, let's go to page like 5. You should have 4. Okay, it should be somewhere. Okay, right here. Okay, why? What is the main reason on why a lot of people blow their accounts? Okay. Um. Now, are you asking me this as an alert, but like someone that takes alerts, or just someone in general that is actually trading? Because I'll tell you why people blow accounts in alerts, right? Because okay, hypothetically, right? The alerts that I put out, you guys should have been gotten a payout, right? But a lot of people haven't. A lot of people have, but there's also a lot of people that haven't, right? Why is this? Okay, well, you have people. I might, if you're on YouTube, I'm gonna call you out a little bit because you kind of need to wake up here, all right? So I hope you're watching the stream. But look, for example, yesterday I put two setups, two, right? One was a loser, one was a winner, right? The first setup, why did I say it was risky? Well, because we're missing confirmations. The trades, the trade is not looking the best. Although I do think we're going to go down eventually, right? I'm going to consider this trade a pretty risky trade. So I told you guys very clearly, very slowly. I know I talk fast, right? But I said very, very slowly. Guys, if you guys do not like this trade, do not take it. If you guys are going to take this trade, trade it with barely any micros. Make sure you guys size extremely light, and you add once the trade gets more confirmation, right? Okay, we get the trade, we enter, all that good stuff. All right, we're good to go. Okay, the trade goes against us. I'm like, okay, guys, it's fine. No one should be panicking because, first of all, if you didn't like the trade or if you can't afford the loss from a risky trade, you shouldn't be in the trade, right? But if you did take it, I'm assuming you guys, if you guys are gonna follow my trades, I'm assuming you guys are also gonna follow my sizing, right? Okay. Well, we got stopped out on a starter position, and you have people like this where they cry about a losing position when it was starters and they blow up their account. You get what I'm saying? You guys get what I'm saying? So a big reason on why people are they get stopped out or not stopped out, why they're not profitable, is because you have people like this, right? Where they complain because I took an L. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, you're gonna fail. You're not gonna get anywhere in life if you have that attitude, and that goes for everyone. That goes for everyone because I'm really not here to put up with anyone's bullshit. You know what I mean? Like, okay, we took a trade. Grow up. It's fine. We're gonna make it back. You know what I mean? Stop crying about it. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, people are just gonna laugh at you for crying about it in chat. You know. So you guys gotta learn the kind of the hard way. Just you gotta, like I said, you guys gotta boss up and just learn how to take L's. In trading, you're gonna take L's no matter what you guys do. No matter what you guys do, no one's here. Like, look, if I took an L and there's 400 of you guys taking my alert, of course there's gonna be people that are taking L's. If you're gonna be in the chat crying about it, it's not gonna magically make you win. It's gonna tilt you and make you revenge trade and blow up your accounts even more. You know what I'm saying? So don't be like that guy. Don't, and that goes for everyone because no one's here to put up with your shit. Yeah, we all took an L. We're all fine. We're reviewing it. We're gonna make the trade back. If you guys are gonna be background noise and just and just be like that, then no one's gonna no everyone's gonna laugh at you. No one's gonna be here to feel sorry for you because we all took the L together. And little do you know, we ended up getting a winning trade right after. Because I told you guys, the first setup is not ready yet, but I'm gonna take a risky entry, which is a starter position, right? If you don't like the trade so far and you want more confirmations, do not take the trade. Just wait for more confirmations. It's that simple. We're not here for the crying, guys. This is the last thing we're trying to do. You guys gotta learn how to take L's. If you guys can't take L's, I'm here to tell you guys trading is not for you. It's that simple. I'm using the chat to be honest, loser mentality is exactly, bro. We're not here for that. I'm here to tell you guys, we're not here for that. Every time I see someone crying in the chat, I'm like, damn, like this guy, But yeah. So that's why I think some people are unprofitable. They just don't know how to respect their own rules. Like, I could be like, guys, this is the riskiest setup in the world. This is the riskiest setup in the world. And there's gonna be that one guy that's gonna full port it and cry about it when we lose. Cause oh my god, I blew my accounts. You know what I mean? Like bro, the trade was risky in the first place. Why even full porting? And then you have some people that's like, bro, you have a whole community behind you. Why are you putting out risky trades? I'm not trading for you guys. I'm trading for myself. You guys have the choice to follow along. That's why you guys are here. I'm not trading for you guys. I'm not here to be like, oh guys, like I said, I like the setup, but I don't want you guys to take it. No, I'm gonna take it if I want to take it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I couldn't believe it either. I read that. I'm like, bro, there's no way. It's insane, bro. It's really insane. Anyways, Gonna go train. You think PM is gonna be a thing today? From the looks of it, I can't really tell you. I need PM to kind of to be here. You know what I mean? We'll see. I mean, let me see. David, I've been in a load of loads of groups. I can promise you on everything. I've got. You're the realest one. Hey, bro, thank you. Because the thing is, bro, I'm not gonna put up with anyone's bullshit. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not here for that. All this thing is like me learning for you guys over 500 people is stressful enough. Let alone having someone cry in my ear. It's not gonna help me. You get what I'm saying? It's gonna make me like more. It's gonna give me more pressure, right? So I know you guys. It sucks losing, but it's part of the game. You guys need to learn how to understand that. Did I take anything? No, I didn't. I didn't take anything. Nothing yet, bro. The market is super choppy, super ugly. Exactly, Mo. I agree. I agree. The market ain't it today. It dumped without taking. Yeah, exactly. No, bro. We haven't taken out the levels of liquidity that we want. Smoking cracks, bro. I mean, shit, bro. At this point, you know. Will I kick someone out? If I have to, yeah. I don't care. If I have to, I will. Remember, guys, the winner's just a loser. Try one more time. Exactly, bro. Exactly. But anyways, enough of that. I'm not trying to be negative, you know, or just calling people out. But let me see. Um, let me see. I'm catching up with the chat. Okay. Maybe they might take that low for PPI tomorrow. Wait, we have PPI tomorrow at 8:30, right? Oh yeah, because we had CPI today. It's always yeah. So 8:30 we have PPI news coming out. We're more than yeah. Frank, the thing is, we're more than likely going to take out this low, probably for the market closes. I mean, we're a few points away. 70. It's not a few, but we're there. You know what I mean? We need one or two big sell-offs, and we're there. You know. Um. Thank you, JMK, bro. Thank you. Do you think next week is going to be good trading? Let me check for you. Let me check the news, guys. Anytime you guys want to know if the next week is going to be good, just look at the news. Oh. Oh. Okay. Um. Well, I'm sure you guys heard my reaction. Next week is gonna be a little bit questionable. Let's just say that. Okay, Monday we have no news. Tuesday we have no news. Wednesday we have no news. Thursday we have no news. Friday we have 9:45 news. So it's gonna be a little bit it could be good, it could be bad. We just need price to be good. We need price to be good. So yeah, it could be a hit or miss. Who knows? Who knows? But let's not focus on next week just yet. This week hasn't finished yet. We'll figure that out next week. All right. We'll see. We'll see. But this week, news wise, we're pretty good. Bro, today feels like a Thursday. It's Wednesday. Wow. Come back strong. 100%, bro. 100%. But yeah, open up YouTube. Show me a skateboarder who can't take a fall. Exactly, bro. There it is. Another one. I like that. You know, show me a skateboarder who can't take a fall. There's none out there. You're going to fall when you're skateboarding. Same with trading. You're going to fail when you're trading. There's going to be losing trades. There's going to be times where you guys fall off your skateboard or off your bike or off your scooter. You know, you just got to learn how to get up and keep going. What do you think about TopStep? TopStep is a really, really good prop firm. Now, for me, I personally prefer Apex. Now, on the YouTube stream, you guys can see I have an 80% off code. If you guys do want to take advantage of that to get some funded accounts. But for me, I prefer Apex, but TopStep is just as good. It's a really good prop firm. Let me see. Sometimes they like to play games and leave it for retail to think it's a strong support. Okay, Frank, here, let me tell you one thing. You know that we both know right now that banks are not trading. You know why? Because this price action is retail type of price action. You know that retail can't make trends at all. Retail can't make trends ever. Where do you look for news? Here. It's Forex Factory. Here you go, bro. Let me know if you need the settings for it. Black Friday offer for premium lifetime. I'm working on it, bro. But we gotta get to Black Friday. Now, but I don't want to hit at anything. But guys, I want to do something huge for Thanksgiving as a community. Like I've never done this before, but this is one of the years where I'm in a spot where I can always, um, thoughts that was the day. Wait, what? That was the day escape free. 7% off. I don't know about 70, but that's you know. Um, should we install Cash App? Yeah, sure. Why not? Fuck it. Are you single? No. I do. Yes. But guys, so far, no way. Bro, no. For no way. Bro, EV. Okay, well, to be fair, it was never yours to begin with. But someone just became a multimillionaire. Wow. Guys, okay, for those that weren't active in the chat yesterday, someone in the chat turned $50 into almost $700,000 in a meme coin, but he couldn't sell. And just now, they just rug pulled the coin. Wow, someone just became a multi millionaire. Damn, bro. Shit, I should have done that. Nah, I'm just kidding. But damn, bro. I mean, to be fair, bro, it was never yours to begin with. That you were not selling that money. That's so unfair. Like, why is that a thing? Why can you, like, why? That just calls for rug pulls. Like, that's so stupid. Like, how is that legal? You could turn off a sell button and then I could sell it, but you can't. Wow. It's not legal. Then why is it a feature on these trading apps where you can turn off the sell button? Like that's so stupid. Wow, bro. Someone like in front of our eyes just became a multi billionaire or millionaire, not billionaire, millionaire. Wow. We're talking millions upon millions upon millions of dollars. Yeah, he was up 700k literally less than an hour ago, and now he's down. What coin was it? It was the Trump coin, bro. And I was about to, if you guys don't know, I was about to put $1,000 into that coin, and somebody just told me not to. They can't get the money. Nope, it's gone. It's zero. They rug pulled it. They sold everything. Wow, bro, that is insane, man. What's your deal with My Funded Futures? It's a good firm. I've never used it, so obviously since I've never used it, I'm not gonna suggest it to you guys. But I have used Apex and TopStep. Cause I only put 200, but that's still $200 that went to nothing. Why can't you sell? They turned off the sell button. They got rid of it. You could like how's that even? You could buy something, but you can't sell it. Like what? What's the point? Is take profit legit? Take profit. I don't know too much about it, bro. Do your research. Like, okay, no, that's something different because it's a stock. GameStop is a stock. Now, Robinhood, they turn off the sell button. No one likes Robinhood. It's why Robinhood sucks, right? Because they have the ability to turn off the sell button whenever they want. That's not how it works, right? A stock is supposed to be tradable. Now, yeah, there's a thing that what's it called, where it halts, but GameStop wasn't being halted. It was being traded. But the people on Robinhood, they're like, oh no, like we don't want you to make money, so we're gonna turn off the sell button. That's dumb. That's dumb as hell. That's why no one likes Robinhood, and I will never suggest Robinhood to you guys. It's horrible. Does Rebo do that? No. That's why Rebo is one of, if not the best, at least options broker out there. TopStep is legit. Well, just like I said, I don't have any words for it. I never said it was a scam. I don't know if it's legit. I've never used it. I've never looked into it. That's what I'm telling you guys. Do your research beforehand, because a lot of people were saying that fast track trading was legit, and look what ended up happening. You know what knows, bro. Look at the level now. It's REL. Imagine how much liquidity is down there. Yeah, bro. This you're talking about this level right here, right? Or are you talking about like these lows down here? I'm assuming you're talking about 54. Is Webull good for just regular investments? Yes, Webull is good for everything. Webull is, if not the best one in my opinion. 54. Yeah, no, bro, Frank. The amount you don't understand, bro. The amount of liquidity that's in this level right here is insane. I will not take a trade until we take out this level today. Look at this, guys. If you go on the higher time frame, look how strong this level is. The market ended up selling off about, let me see, 200 points. Found this exact bottom and ended up pushing up 155 points right after. The amount of liquidity that's lying in this level right here is insane. We're gonna trade it when we take it, but for now we gotta stay patient. We gotta stay patient. Don't touch any of the Trump coins. 90% will be rugged. Yeah, I noticed that. Yep. When I was doing my research, because look, Alex, I was trying to like alert a Trump coin. Just maybe, maybe we became millionaires. Which we could have if it didn't get rug pulled. But I kept doing my research, and everyone was like, no, like it's a rug pull. Like there's not enough market cap. This is this. The community is weird. It's botted. Don't do it. And I'm like, you know what? There's too many rug pulls. I'd rather just stay safe and save my $1,000. I could definitely use that for a lot better stuff. Weeble also pays. Yeah, bro, Weeble is insane. Like, if you guys want long term, do Weeble. Weeble, the broker. What do you recommend for a live account? For a live account, I would say do $500 to $1,000. 500 being the bare minimum, and 1,000 being the recommended for me. Yeah, bro, and TopStep does payouts every single day. Yeah, yeah. Well, not daily payouts, but they pay people out like on a daily basis. Like they're constantly sending people money. How much percent does Apex take when you request? Nothing, nothing. You keep 100% of the money. Now, when you make when you make $25,000 per account, they start taking a 10% fee out of the payouts. What do you do then? You just buy a new account. You buy a new fresh account, and that's it. You keep getting the 100%. Now, you might be saying, why am I gonna do so much work when it's only 10%? Well, you guys gotta keep in mind when you're copy trading, 10% really adds up, big time. I mean, shit. For example, if you're copy trading 10 accounts and you're requesting a $20,000 payout, you're gonna be giving up back a lot of money that you keep by yourself. So just buy a new account and just fund it. No, TopStep does not have a buffer rule. No, no, no. How many contracts would I trade for a $1,000 account? Let's do the math real quick. Let me see. So for a $1,000 account, we're looking at a drawdown of $1,000. You divide that by 7 losing trades. You should be looking to risk $150 per trade with $1,000. Now, let's see how many contracts that should be, right? So let's go over to this website right here. We go over to MQ, M&Q, right? We do the usual, which should be, wait, hold up. I got a notification here. Okay, bet. Okay. We put the usual, which is a 1 to 2, which should be 50 points as a price target, 25 points as your stop loss. Okay, if you want to risk 125 or 145, right? That's what it was. 145. Yeah, $140 per trade. You should be looking on a $1,000 account. You guys should be looking to risk about 3 contracts. So 3 micros per trade with a 25-point stop loss for $1,000. So you're looking to make $300 per trade, and you're only risking $150 per trade. Maximum. When is lunch? Lunch is in 40 minutes. 40 minutes. But yeah, guys, if you guys are going to be trading with a live account, do 3 micros, risk 25 points, risk $150 per trade. You guys should be good to go there. All right, Patrick? That's what I would do. So 3 micros. All right? But yeah, guys, this market, super ugly still. Is the max you give back 10%? Yeah. After you make $25,000 on the account. So what do? You just make a new one. And then you just keep 100%. And then you just constantly do that. If I request today before 10 a.m., do I get my money by the end of the day? It depends. That part I don't have any control over. They say that they do that, but, who knows? Who knows? What's your typical window for PM? Yeah, like 1:30 to 4. Yeah. But I don't trade it up until I see a setup. UB. How many points SP? What does that mean? Stop loss? 25. If that's what you're saying. I want to start options as well. Okay, let me stop you there. I'm not even gonna finish reading your thing, but I read I want to start options. Let me tell you, bro, it's not gonna be very fun. Be careful. Let me tell you, be careful. There's a lot of things and options that kind of messes you up, like theta. Big reason. Yeah, it's not fun. Let me tell you. Take it from us. Take it from like majority of the people that do options here. It's not very fun. Let me tell you. Okay, let me see, guys. Hold on, let me see. Where should you trim and leave all those 3 micros? You just trim one by one. You could do that, or you could just take profits all in one. There's nothing wrong with that. Remember, guys, no one has ever gone broke taking profits. So if you want to trim one by one, which is probably not the best thing ever because you're not going to be making as much, I'd much rather have you just hold the trade, move your stop loss as it keeps going up. Because remember, you don't have a trading drawdown. You could lose to break even and not risk anything. And if the trade hits 50 points, you just sell it all in one. Or 2 contracts at first to build cushion. Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, you could also do that. David, do you use StoneX to calculate that risk reward on a StoneX? Do I? I don't know. Let me see. I use no, I use this one, this website. It's called insider-week.com/en. Here, I'll just link it. It's a lot easier if I do that rather than just saying the whole thing. Here you go. Yeah, so be careful with options. Like, I'm not saying don't do it. You can try it out. Maybe you do like it, but long term, it's a big headache. Big headache. Really big headache. So be careful with that. And it's like endless reasons. Like the cons outweigh the pros. I'm trying to do meme coins here and there, like a little $10 investment to see if one of them pumps. Bro, you're gonna lose all your money, bro. Those $10, bro, you're better off just buying food with it and just enjoying those $10. I mean, who knows? Who knows? But bro, instead of doing little $10 investments, at this point, bro, just create your own meme coin and do as you please. You know what I mean? Like, you have a higher chance of making money by creating your own meme coin rather than putting those $10 into random ones. Trades are cooked for today. Yep, I hate to say it. It's pretty choppy. Has anyone had experience? Oh, that's for the chat to answer. Bro, GPU. I mean, it's only fair, right? You know, it's only fair. Bro, Diego. Bro, do not, bro. Bro. But no, like I'm being for real. Like, you guys have a bigger win rate in making your own crypto and making a community behind it and doing whatever you want with it than just investing $10. Go buy food with those $10. You know, it'll be a lot better. Yeah, David, I'm asking you for your permission to make a David coin and rug pull everyone. We can split 3 ways, bro. um, not right now, bro. Not right now. I already told you guys. If I ever create a crypto meme coin, you guys already know what I'm gonna do. Don't be surprised. Now that's if I become super evil, which, you know, I'm not just yet. But yeah. Forget evil world we live in. Yeah, you're right. Yet, yeah, yet. Bro's not reading YouTube chat, bro. I read it every now and then, bro. I read it every now and then. You guys gotta keep in mind, there's like a lot of people typing, so. Why do you switch to futures? Bro, because options is not stable, bro. Options is not stable whatsoever. Like, sure, you can make a pretty penny here and there. Don't get me wrong, right? You can catch a really nice move, but long term, if you want to make a living off trading, options is not gonna be your in favor. It's just data. Like, you could be right on the chart and you could still lose money. You know how stupid that is? That's really fucking stupid. Hold on. Okay. Oh my. Okay, bro. Mo, you wrote a lot here. Let me read it. Okay. So, man, I got a whole story. Wait, you guys are typing too much. Okay. Swore not to make me lose money on any trades and delete the convo after I reached out to dispute my card. I know not having a loss is literally impossible, which it is. I only asked if he loses in the server so I can use this word against him because anybody could pay 280. 2 weeks and then remove me after 2 weeks. Damn, bro. You could have definitely summed it up a little bit, but you got to the point. Just create an ICT meme coin and you'll be a millionaire in a week, bro. In a day. You know how many you know how many ICT bro, ICT is a cult. That's what it's come down to. Like bro, you guys say that you guys trade support and resistance, and you're gonna have these little ass kids like, oh my god, you don't trade ICT. Like, blah, blah, blah. It's annoying as shit, bro. It's come to a cult. It's come to a cult. You know what I mean? It's dumb as hell. I invested $100 into Bitcoin, up 121, better than nothing. Hey, bro, that's lunch money. We'll take it. You could buy a nice little $20 meal. Ah, good stuff. Bro, guys, are you guys down to call it a day? Or not a day? No. An AM session. This thing is choppy, bro. This thing is slow as hell. Nothing is going on. Nothing. I mean, I have nothing to do either, so. See you in the PM. That's if we get a setup. That's a big if. That's a big if. No, you want me to stay on? Oh hell no. We're gonna get a setup eventually. I hope so. But I rather get the setup in bed. I need to lay down. This chair is getting a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, let's be real here. Like this setup is not gonna come up for a while. We gotta wait on it. Yo, David, does Apex care? Instead of trim, you just take full profits, bro. Yeah, well, of course. They don't care. You're just trading. PM session. Hopefully, we can get one later. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. But yeah, guys. For now, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just call it an AM session. If we see something in the PM, we'll hop back on, trade it together, and make some money. All right, guys. But in the meantime, get off the charts. Don't force anything out, and just take it easy. Alright, guys. I'll be active in the chat if anything. Okay, guys? Alright, I'll see you guys later then. Hopefully. Alright? Peace out, guys. Peace. And then for YouTube, guys. What's it called? Guys, I've been getting a lot of questions on how do I start, like, how do I buy a prop firm? Guys, the code is on the screen. Search up Apex Trader Funding. Get a TraderVid account. I suggest a 25k to 50k full account. And type code BLASTERS at checkout for an 80% off discount. Alright, guys. If you guys also want to join the premium, guys, click the first link in the description. There you can get the access to the premium, you know, with alerts, live trading, commentary, the community, everything. Right, guys? And if you guys want to join the free Discord, click the second link in the description to join everything. You guys can ask me questions there. I respond a lot faster. You guys can get daily updates about the server, about the premium, how we're doing, and all that stuff. Alright, guys? But in the meantime, today's markets are really slow. I'd rather not trade this and just stay cash for the time being until we get a better setup. But yeah, guys, if anything, I'll see you guys at 9:45 a.m. EST tomorrow for the live trading. Alright, guys, peace out. Don't forget, if you guys want to join the premium, first link in the description. Alright, guys, peace out, guys.